All right. Happy New Year's, everybody. Today is January 1st, 2020. I hope everybody had a safe and nice New Year's Eve last night. So today I have a long schedule with DoorDash. It's a 12-hour shift, and I'll be out probably most of the day. I don't know if I'm going to work the whole 12 hours. But it's 10:40 and I just got my first order. It is at Little Caesars. And I have had to wait for quite a while. It was, like I said, I started at 10 and it's 10:40. I just got my first order, but I sat at home, read a few books to my son, and now I'm ready to go. It's now 11:05. I just dropped off that Little Caesars order like 5 minutes ago. It was only a mile away from the restaurant and the food was ready, so that was super easy. But something super cool that I just found about is I guess DoorDash has partnered with Little Caesars in the last maybe month. I don't know. It's a new partnership. I know they were advertising it, like handing out flyers to customers while I was in there. And on DoorDash, there's this big like pickup instructions, right? It was like a paragraph long, and I read it, and it says, if you have not yet gotten your pizza bag, ask this location if they have any pizza bags in stock. If they do, write down your code, like some ID, that way they could track it. So I guess DoorDash and Little Caesars partnered up, but I'm going to be getting a pizza bag at some point. They just didn't have any in stock, which kind of stinks, but I'm excited for that because I do quite a bit of pizza deliveries. And the GrubHub order, or the GrubHub bag I have, it did fit the Little Caesars pizza in it, but it's not really meant for pizza, so it can be tough. And if it's like a bigger pizza, like an extra large or something, it definitely won't fit in the GrubHub bag. So it'll be nice to get a true pizza bag, because I do quite a bit of pizza deliveries. I just ended up, I'm at a Walgreens because it was right up their street, and I had to go to the bathroom. So I'm just hanging out. I'm going to read my book until I get an order, and I'll update you a little later. All right, so it's 11:10, and I just tried to go to the bathroom, but it is closed for cleaning. As I was walking out, I got an order for a Sherry's Restaurant and Pies, which is a local diner, and it's right up the street from me, 0.3 miles away. So I'm gonna go grab that and do my next order. Okay, so it's now 11:30. I just dropped off that order from Sherry's Restaurants, and immediately I had another DoorDash order for Chicken Shack, which was literally like a minute from this last drop off. So it's been pretty busy, not the highest paying orders, but on that last order I did get a $3 cash tip, so that's exciting. Super pumped about that. And it's probably going to get busy for a little while here for lunch, so looking forward to it. Hey everybody, it's now 12:05 and I just dropped off that Chicken Shack order. Right now I am waiting for my next order. It's been pretty steady, but no crazy orders. They've all been around $5-6, which is fine, but I had a goal in my head of making $200 today. I really hope to make that, but I'll keep you updated. I've still got $180 to go, but I do have 10 hours still scheduled. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right. So it's 12:14. I just finished eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich that I brought and going to the bathroom. And I got an order for Sherry's Cafe and Pies. So we're headed back. I'm still close by. It's right up the road again. All right. It's 12:35 and I just got a fifth order. It's for Mod Pizza, which I'm almost at. I'm stopped at the light, so I put my camera on the bipod and decided to, tripod. Just update you. It's my first big order of the day for $10. So I'm definitely excited about that.
Mile. Turn right.
We're finally starting to make some money. It's been steady. Like I said, it's my 5th order. I started at 9:45 is when I turned the app on, but I did not get my first order until 10:40. So it took me an hour to get the first order in. And in the last almost 2 hours, I'll say.
Turn left. Then turn left.
Up to a whopping 5 orders. That girl did not look like she was going to stop, but I don't have a stop sign. And eventually she did.
Turn left.
But she was
then turn right.
Right through it. All right.
Turn right.
So I just got to Mod Pizza, as you can see. And we're about to go grab the food. Hopefully it's ready. It's now 1 o'clock and I'm just hanging tight. I just dropped off that Mod Pizza order a few minutes ago. It brought me to another part of town, the one I usually try to stay at, so it might be busier over here, I'm not too sure. But I've turned GrubHub back on. I have a GrubHub shift for the next hour and a half. So we'll see how that goes while I'm also working my DoorDash shift. While I'm waiting for my next order, I'm going to continue my book. I have like 50 pages left, so hopefully I could finish that today when it's slow. So it's now 1:30. I was sitting here reading in the parking lot, and I just got a DoorDash order for Kebab House, which is literally where I am. So that's kind of nice and easy. It's kind of slow, but it's 1:30 in the afternoon, so it's kind of the end of lunch. After this dies down and once my GrubHub shift ends, I'm going to head to the house and bring my dog to the bathroom and take a little break. I'll still stay on, but just because it's slow, I might as well hang out at the house for a bit. Alright, so it's 1:45 and I finally got that food. So it was a little slow like I thought it would be. And while I was in there, I actually got a GrubHub order. And the best part about it, so I have stacked orders right now, which normally would stress me out, but the food drop-off is like 2 minutes away from the restaurant I'm going to. So it's literally perfect.
Turn right. Then turn right.
So it's a little busy in the afternoon
Turn
here.
right on North Road 68.
Beautiful day, and I'm excited about it. And like I said, I got a little break coming up soon.
In 700
so
feet.
I'll
Turn
keep you
left
posted.
on Sandifer Park.
Alright, yeah, so it's 1:52 and I just got to the Sushi House. It's behind me. So it was super short delivery, or distance. And as you could tell, pick up by 2:03, so I made it in plenty of time. Which is good. I'm going to mark that I'm here and go inside and grab the food. Okay, so it's 2:08 and I just dropped off that Sushi House order. I'm hanging out by this restaurant called Anthony's. I don't believe they do any of the delivery apps, but I know there's a few restaurants right around here that do. So maybe I'll get something because I'm close by. And I'm just hanging tight. I'm gonna wait until, like I said, 2:30. See if I could get another order, and then I will head home. Because I'm assuming 2:30 to 4 is probably gonna be super slow. It's kind of that odd time. Take a little break, and then get back out here and wrap up my shift. Like I said, I don't know if I'm staying out until 10 tonight. I hope so, if it's busy. I really need the money, but we'll see what happens. So it's 2:30, and I actually did get another order. I'm at Shiki Sushi Bar and Japanese Grill. So things are pretty steady. I mean, it's not the busiest day I've ever had, but I'm getting, for the most part, pretty constant orders, waiting here and there, but not too bad. Like I said earlier, my goal is to make $200 today. I hope I make that goal, but we'll see. Usually dinner shift is busier, but it has been slow lately, so I don't know. Stay tuned. 4 p.m. And I just got my first order after taking my break. It is through Postmates, actually. When I turned DoorDash back on, I still haven't gotten anything through them, which is fine. I'm headed to Panda Express, which is pretty close by. And the delivery drop-off didn't seem too bad either.
Turn right. Then turn left on Crescent Road.
So hopefully I am able to drop that off real quick before I get a DoorDash order. So with Panda Express, I do have to order the food when you do a Postmates order. So I'm going to go through the drive-thru because I don't feel like getting out. There are like 4 or 5 cars in front of me, but usually Panda Express is pretty quick and they only have 4 items.
Hi, thank you for waiting. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I have a veggie spring roll?
An order of veggie spring roll?
Yeah, a cream cheese rangoon.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a bigger plate with broccoli beef.
Were we doing chow mein or fried rice?
Fried rice.
Fried rice, broccoli beef.
Orange chicken. And string bean chicken.
So broccoli, orange, and string bean.
Yep. And then I'm gonna do a second bigger plate. Can you do that one half chow mein, half fried rice?
Half and half, okay.
Broccoli beef,
Okay.
mushroom chicken, and orange chicken.
Broccoli, orange, and you said mushroom, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what else can I get for you?
That'll be everything.
Anything to drink for you today?
No, thank you.
And did you want to make a donation to the Children's Health and Education?
Not today.
All right, I'll have the total for you out the window.
Thank you.
No problem.
It's 5:33. I just finished my book like 10 minutes ago. Been waiting for an order and I finally got one through GrubHub. Going to Taco Bell. It's a little ways away, but it was like an $11 Taco Bell order, so I'm cool with that. So, I don't know, I did just reboot my phone. I'm wondering if maybe they just had an issue connecting with my internet or something.
Let's get started. Drive safely.
Turn
Turn right. Then turn right.
Hopefully it will get busier as the night goes on, but we'll see. All right, so it's 7:23. I just dropped off an Applebee's order and a kebab house order. They were stacked, one with DoorDash, one with GrubHub. So it's getting pretty busy for the dinner rush. Kind of nice. I think one of them was like $18.50 and one of them was $10, so $30. Took about an hour. Now I'm waiting for my next order. I just arrived at Taco Bell for a GrubHub order. So things are still pretty steady. Nothing too crazy. I don't know if I'm lasting till 10. It's only 2 hours away, so probably. And then I'm gonna just stay tuned. Pretty soon you'll get an order update and let you know how things go in a 12-hour day of delivering. It's currently 8:40. I just finished doing a stacked order. One was a McDonald's order through DoorDash, and then a noodle time through GrubHub. The noodle time customer gave me a $5 cash tip, so that's super awesome. Very excited about that. I have about an hour left. If you remember, I said I logged in at 9:45. So I have about an hour left to hit my 12-hour day. I don't think I'm gonna hit my $200. If I did my math right, I'm around 150 right now. So hopefully I could hit like 165 or something. To be honest, I did not think I would hit $200 today because it's been slow lately. I just was hoping I would. I will update you soon. Hopefully I could get another order or two. I just have Postmates and DoorDash going right now because I think I'm owed some contribution pay with GrubHub, and I don't want to like mess it up because I know you have to accept like every order and all that stuff during your shift. So I don't want to mess that up and then lose out on that $22 that I think I'm owed. So, just using the 2. Hopefully I get an order or 2. I'll keep you updated. I just got to Nico Sushi. So even though it's later, I think people are starting to get hungry, or maybe people who work a late shift just got home, they're ordering some food. So, still staying busy. About to go grab this order, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it's 9:50, and I just got home, and I'm doing my earnings update because I'm exhausted. Postmates, I made $4.58 with 1 order. Nothing crazy, but I could still get a tip on it, so maybe I'll get lucky. DoorDash, I did 10 orders for $70, so I guess it's averaging about $7 an order. Not great, but at least they kept me busy. And then on GrubHub, I made $53. Then I also got $8 in cash from tips, which comes out to, I believe, $135 roughly. I rounded up on that Postmates one. So right at $13.50 an hour. And then I'm also expecting $22 from adjustment pay, because I had 2 hours or so scheduled that I did not get an order with GrubHub, and that's what they do. They give you an adjustment based off your area, which last time I got one was $11 an hour. So that puts me right up to $157 for the day. But I'm not really going to include that because I just got gas, spent right $21 or something. So it cost me about $20 to deliver today. So we're looking at $135 in earnings. Long day, but like I said, I'm saying it's going to be about $13.50 an hour since I had 2-hour breaks essentially. So not terrible, but could be better. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.